Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the euro-dollar pair and recent events during the markets. Greg?
The euro-dollar pair has gained 1% in the last 3 sessions. The ATR is strengthening and is now giving a high volatility signal. Apple's stock has gained 2.6% in the last 2 sessions. The Williams indicator moved sharply into the overbought zone. The sterling-dollar pair has gained 1.5% in the last 3 sessions. The highs-lows indicator has moved into the positive area. The Aussie-dollar pair has remained as is in the last session. The RSI has diminished into the neutral zone.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
Beijing Arbitration Commission states it didn't ban Bitcoin entirely as the cryptocurrency acts as a virtual commodity. A historic collapse in the U.S. GDP growth for the second quarter has kept the dollar on its current crash course. The hit to the UK working class is gathering pace despite the boost from lockdown easing and the contraction in COVID-19 cases.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The Japanese GDP will be released on Sunday at 21:50 GMT. New Zealand's unemployment rate Tuesday at 20:45 GMT. The Eurozone's retail sales Wednesday at 700 GMT. The UK BOE interest rate decision Thursday at 400 GMT. The U.S. unemployment rate Friday at 10:30 GMT, and the U.S. non-farm payrolls Friday at 10:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.